Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 121.5 pounds. He has a record of 6 wins, no loss. 2 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Zipman Boxing Stable, Cebu City. Ladies and gentlemen, Alex Santissima Jr. Introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 121.5 pounds. He has a record of 8 wins, no loss, 1 draw, 1 win coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of RCJ Boxing Stable, Iligan City. Ladies and gentlemen, Arnel Buyok.
Ito ang sagupaan ni na Alex Santissima Jr. at Arnel "Kid Pacman" Buyok, isang 10-round championship fight para sa bakanteng Philippine Boxing Federation Super Bantamweight title. Ginanap ang laban noong Hulyo 29, 2023 sa Philoil Eco Oil Center sa San Juan City bilang bahagi ng Manny Pacquiao Presents Blow by Blow. Sa isang sulok, narito ang batang prospect mula Cebu City na si Alex Santissima Jr. Sa edad na 23, pumasok siya sa laban na may undefeated record na 6 na panalo, kabilang ang 2 knockout. Isa siyang miyembro ng Zip Boxing and Wellness Center at nakababatang kapatid ng Dating World Title Challenger na si Gio Santissima. Ngunit hindi basta-basta ang kanyang makakaharap. Mula sa Cagayan de Oro City, narito ang southpaw na si Arnel "Kid Pacman" Buyok. Dala niya ang record na 8 panalo, 1 tabla at wala ring talo. Mas matagal na rin ang kanyang karanasan sa professional boxing kumpara kay Santissima. Isang batang rising prospect laban sa isang mas veteranong undefeated southpaw. Parehong may malinis na record, parehong may gustong patunayan, at parehong determinadong lumabas ng ring bilang bagong kampeon. Ngunit sa pagtatapos ng 10 rounds, isa lamang sa kanila ang mananatiling walang talo. At ngayon, panoorin na natin ang maaksyong 10 round na bakbakan nina Alex Santissima Jr. at Arnel "Kid Pacman" Buyok. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at mag-react. Ibahagi rin ang inyong mga obserbasyon at opinyon tungkol sa laban sa comment section sa ibaba dahil masaya kong babasahin ang inyong mga komento. Mga kaboksing, simulan na natin ang aksyon.
Wearing the white gloves, Santissima with the red gloves. Both of them are making their blow-by-blow debuts, also fighting for the first time in Luzon. Arnel Buyok, ang kanyang cornerman, is a one-time world title challenger for the IBF mini flyweight title, si Samuel Salva, who's an active fighter. He's only 26 years old. Nasa corner siya ni Santissima. His brother Gio Santissima. We all are pacing themselves well. We are scheduled for 10. Not expending too much energy dito, but enough to be able to introduce yan. You have to protect yourself at all times inside that ring. Santissima going to the body, attacking left and right to the side of the body ni Buyok. Buyok is 26 years old, Santissima is 23. Andidiin ang mga suntok ni Santissima. You can feel a lot of body weight behind those punches. There's impact behind those blows. Ni Alex Santissima Jr. That's the end of round number 1. Catch the replay. That was actually several punches to the side of the body. Ooh! Might have been below the belt there.
Sa round 2, unti-unti nang umiinit ang laban. Bumibigat na ang palitan ng mga suntok habang kapwa naghahanap ng pagkakataon ang dalawang boksingero na makalamang. Maganda ang ipinapakitang simula ng dalawang mandirigma. Parehong kondisyonado, determinado, at handang magbigay ng isang magandang laban.
Santissima looking to again, those body blows of Santissima will be slowing down Buyok as this fight wears on. Nice left hand scored by Buyok. Buyok can't wait for Santissima to come charging in to throw punches. He's got to be first. Tinatime niya yung suntok niya, but Santissima is all over the place. He's all business, Santissima. Throwing a lot of shots. Ang taas ng work rate ni Santissima. It's a volume puncher. Tama doon ng right hand si Santissima. Again, Buyok is the southpaw. Left hand thrown there, but you've got to be busier than your opponent. Buyok now going side to side. Santissima catching him, however. Santissima doing a good job of cutting the ring off. Buyok throwing also a lot of punches in retaliation, but can't seem to find the mark. Out of General Santos number 2 City. Now with and JC Manakil was just in Tokyo.
Sa round 3, mistulang dalawang toro ang nagbabanggaan sa tindi ng bakbakan. Parehong sumusugod at walang gustong umatras. Dahil magkasalungat ang kanilang fighting stance, naroon din ang posibilidad na aksidenteng magkauntugan. Orthodox fighter si Santissima, samantalang southpaw naman si Buyok. Kaya naman, bukod sa malalakas na suntok, mahalaga rin ang tamang distansya, footwork at maingat na pagpasok ng dalawang mandirigma.
It's the same division where Alex Santissima and Arnel Buyok are now fighting under. It's for the vacant 122-pound PBF championship. Buyok now missing a lot of punches, even from close range. Hindi matamaan ng gusto si Santissima. Horrid pace. We're only in round number 3, scheduled for 10. These fighters want to go home early, that's for sure. They don't want to go this the full route. And they're both body punchers. Nagbabaratan sila sa katawan. Both fighters have been able to connect with some nice shots, but neither has been able to hurt the other. And if you look, while Santissima turned pro only in 2021, but he fought 4 times last year. So, getting very big rounds now in the books. As we take a look at our punch of the round, brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Oh, beautiful punch. That was called.
Sa round 4, parehong dumidistansya ang dalawang mandirigma habang maingat na naghahanap ng butas sa depensa ng isa't isa. Kapwa sila naghihintay ng tamang pagkakataon upang makapasok at makapagpakawala ng malalakas na suntok. Walang padalos-dalos sa puntong ito dahil isang pagkakamali lamang ang maaaring samantalahin ng kalaban.
Trying to get through the defense ni Buyok. And again, that right straight from Santissima. Trying to get a little bit of an opening para siya naman ang makasuntok. Is that able? No, he's complaining now that there was a low blow.
Tuloy mo lang.
Nawala na yung body attack ni Buyok, but that time he scored with the left hand. Tries to score again. Retaliation by Santissima. Right straight scored by Santissima. Boyok on the run.
Hoy, bawal to ah.
The round coming to an end. Both these fighters need to work on their power.
Time.
Their punches are coming around. Makikita natin, that was a right hand scored by Santissima. You see that punch landing and the grimace on the face of
Sa round 5, lalo pang pinaigting ni Santissima ang kanyang opensiba. Mas marami na siyang binibitawang suntok habang paulit-ulit niyang tinatarget ang katawan ni Arnel Buyok. Dahil sa dami ng mga suntok na lumalapat, bahagyang napaluhod si Arnel. Ngunit hindi ito napansin at hindi binilang ng referee bilang knockdown. Mabilis namang nakarecover si Buyok at agad na bumalik sa pakikipagsabayan kay Santissima. Patuloy ang mainit na palitan sa gitna ng ring.
he almost went down if he didn't go down at all.
No holding ah.
But what a barrage of punches here by Santissima. He's going all out. Sabi nga natin kanina, no? These guys want to end this fight early. They don't want it to go the distance. But the danger is you might punch yourself out. Boyok is covering up. Kung meron ng konting power, mas malakas pa si Santissima, he would have certainly brought down Boyok with that attack. Kulang lang sa power.
Break.
Looks like Boyok has weathered the storm. In-adjust yung support ni Boyok ni referee Haduka. Now it's a turn of Boyok to go on the attack. Na-punch out yata si Santissima. But Santissima's fighting back.
No holding, no holding. Ready, last 10.
Right hand scored there by Boyok. And this round will come to an end. Ito pong punch of the round. Shot to the body there. And then more shots to the body as this furious assault by Santissima to open the round. And more shots. And he didn't go down. He
Round 6, patuloy ang pag-abante ni Santissima habang unti-unti namang napapaatras si Arnel Buyok. Nakaabang si Buyok at naghihintay ng tamang pagkakataon para makapagpakawala ng counterpunch. Ngunit hindi siya binibigyan ni Santissima ng sapat na oras at espasyo. Sa tuloy-tuloy na pressure at aktibong opensiba, unti-unti nang kinokontrol ni Santissima ang ritmo at direksyon ng laban.
Now there's time to group. It's only round number 6. Mahaba pa itong laban na to.
Up.
And if you're Boyok,
Break na back ha.
Santissima staying on top of Boyok. Wherever Boyok goes, nandun si Santissima. Hinahabol siya. Right hand scored by Santissima through that defense.
Stop.
Sporadic right jabs coming from Boyok. Not too much action in this round. I think both these fighters trying to get back their wind because of a lot of the energy expended in the previous round, particularly the part of Santissima when he launched that furious assault. Now Santissima trying to end this with a flurry.
Oh, harap.
And it's
Last
end of the round.
Time.
Sa round 7, walang gaanong aksyon at naging mas kalkulado ang galaw ng dalawang mandirigma. Gayunpaman, nanatili silang alerto at mistulang naglalaro ng chess. Maingat na pinag-iisipan at pinaplano ang bawat galaw. Bagamat kakaunti ang palitan ng suntok, nanatiling matindi ang tensyon sa loob ng ring.
A lot of feinting being done here by both these fighters, particularly Santissima. He's gotta make his hands go. They're throwing punches from a distance, fighting rather cautiously, almost just to preserve themselves for the home stretch, especially si Boyok as he moves away from Santissima. 100% support. Round number 8, now in progress. The southpaw, si Buyok against Santissima. Earlier we saw both fighters attacking the body fiercely. Now they're going to the head. We're in round number 8. Nawala yung aggressiveness ni Santissima. At ganun din si Buyok. Buyok even resorting to a lot of side-to-side movement. Here's Santissima on the attack, but then backing off, just not landing enough power punches to gain Buyok's respect. Sabi nga natin kanina, no, parang this has been reduced to a sparring session between these fighters.
Sa round 9, muling bumalik ang tensyon at sumiklab ang mainit na palitan ng mga suntok. Matapos ang mas kalkuladong mga nakaraang round, kapwa muling naging agresibo ang dalawang mandirigma. Sunod-sunod ang kanilang mga bitaw at walang gustong magpaawat. Sa puntong ito, ramdam na nilang papalapit na ang pagtatapos ng laban. Kaya bawat suntok at bawat malinis na tama ay maaaring maging mahalaga sa magiging desisyon ng mga hurado.
Series of uppercuts by Santissima finding their mark. Again, it's that volume punching of Santissima. Buyok on the defensive. Yun, nakatama ng magandang kaliwa si Buyok. That got through the defense of Santissima and also woke up the crowd. Let's see whether he can follow that up. But it's Santissima still on the giving end. This could be the last ounce of energy being thrown here into the ring by
No punch.
Buyok.
No punch.
But remember, meron pa tayong isang round to go after this one. So you can't punch yourself out in round number 9. There's a good shot by Santissima. Buyok giving it all he's got. But Santissima also retaliating with brilliance. 10-second clapper coming up. Yan na po. So while a lot of punches are being thrown, neither fighter has been able to hit the other. Was a left hand that was scored by yun, pumasok yung kaliwang suntok.
Sa round 10, ang huling round, ibinuhos na ng dalawang mandirigma ang lahat ng kanilang natitirang lakas. Parehong determinadong manalo at masungkit ang titulong PBF Super Bantamweight Champion. Walang gustong umatras at kapwa naghahangad na mag-iwan ng magandang impresyon sa mga hurado. Sa pagtunog ng huling bell, natapos nila ang buong 10 rounds ng isang matindi at kapanapanabik na bakbakan.
Naman si Santissima, maatake. Be a little more aggressive.
Bawal tapak ka, bawal
Santissima
tapak.
catching him with the right hand.
Bawal tapak, bawal tapak. Bawal na.
No meaningful blows connected in this one. As Buyok rather, again going around the ring. He's looking to just survive. He's going
Stop, break,
side
break,
to
break,
side.
break, break, break. No
He's
more,
not
no more.
really looking to win any longer. He's just looking to make sure, only on blow by blow, but also in a Luzon ring. It's the first time that they're fighting in Luzon.
Last 10.
Buyok is still trying to land that big punch to end it all. But a little bit too late. At hindi niya pinakita yung aggressiveness earlier.
Nang tumunog ang kampana para sa huling bell, parehong nagdiwang ang dalawang mandirigma. Natapos nila ang buong 10 rounds at naibigay ang lahat ng kanilang makakaya sa loob ng ring. Ngunit sa huli, si Alex Santissima Jr. ang idineklarang panalo via unanimous decision at siya ang kinilalang bagong PBF Super Bantamweight Champion.
Winner by unanimous decision and the new PBF Super Bantamweight Champion, Alex Santissima Jr.
And there it is. It is official. Alex Santissima Jr. is the new Philippine Boxing Federation or PBF Super Bantamweight Champion.